To the channel. It's yours truly, the real Jay-Z right here. About to get ready to take Molly, the Mach 1, over to Procharged Motorsports to go pick up the Lightning. It is all ready to go. Had some bad storms here and kind of delayed us going to go pick it up, but it's all ready. Got some good weather right now, so let's go ahead and go get it. But that's a new edge up there. It's pretty clean. Let's see what it is. It is another Mach 1. Super clean Mach 1. Here it goes right here. Alex got us all situated. Head to the gas station real quick.
How do you feel? I gotta pay.
I missed my truck. Left the Mach. Alright, we're back in town. I hit up this Chipotle. Get some grub because I am freaking starving. Back there, parked far away. Car guys know what it is. God dang, man, look at that line. Bag secured. Let's get to the crib, man. Alright, it's been a couple of days since we had the truck back. Go ahead and replace my wideband sensor. If you didn't notice in the video, the wideband sensor is out, so I'm gonna go ahead and replace that. That's what I'm currently doing. Truck up, and I didn't tell you guys yet, but pretty much what we did on the truck was a brake kit. I don't know if you guys have seen online a kit called JFAB or made by JFAB. Went ahead and did that rear kit on the truck, and it comes with like lines, calipers, rotors. Nice little package. I did have shaved calipers on the truck already, but the reason I was selling my 15-inch race stars is because the race stars were rubbing and I didn't feel like shaving the calipers any further, so I just went ahead and bought the JFAB kit and show you guys in a little bit how much of a difference my wife's wheels compared to the ones that are on there now. Another one of the pluses is, I believe they say that the whole kit sheds about 36 pounds, so that's always a plus too, since we do mainly take this truck out just for track purposes and some cruises. We'll go ahead and swap that out, and hopefully I'll get a nice little wash afterwards because she needs it, and then maybe me and the wife will go for a little cruise. So I got the old one off, one that was bad. Big difference from this one, because this is a replacement one as well. This is one of the Chinese knockoffs, and the new one is a Bosch sensor that is recommended from AEM. So hopefully this fixes the issue. Let's go ahead and get that put on there. find the best lighting that we can. Get a couple of shots, some clips for you guys. The only place we can find with good lighting is parking garage at the hospital. Alright, the wife wanted to make a little Target run. That is all I have for this vlog. I appreciate you guys who stayed in this long. If you watched the whole video, really appreciate it. Stay tuned for the next vlog where I'll let you know what's going on with the Mach. Until next time, we are out.